I've been in the car business for over 30 years. I've seen a lot of cars coming in trade in various states, and there's just some cars that have a hard time making it to 100,000 miles, and there's some cars that easily pass through 100,000 miles on to 200, sometimes 300,000. Not all vehicles are created equal. Some vehicles have terrible reliability. Some vehicles have an outstanding reliability record. And one of those vehicles with an outstanding reliability record is the Toyota Tundra. And we're talking about the earlier generation, the second generation Tundra. The newer Tundra, unfortunately, has been having some reliability issues. They've had a number of recalls on them, and without any remedies available, a lot of Toyota stores aren't able to sell them until there is a remedy available. I like the new Tundra. I've made actually some videos about some of the ones that we've had, but I've had some people comment saying that's some great things about them. And the thing with the automotive world, even with trucks, is that auto manufacturers are constantly under the gun to improve efficiency, improve gas mileage, and that's the case with the newer Tundra. The older Tundras featured naturally aspirated V8 engines. Specifically, this one has a nice 5.7 liter V8, which is a fan favorite. The new generation Tundra actually doesn't even have a V8 available. You can only get a turbocharged V6 or a turbocharged V6 matched to a hybrid system. They are powerful engines, more efficient than the V8, but the 5.7 liter iForce V8 has been battle tested, and it's one of the best V8s probably ever made, one of the most reliable V8s. I've seen many variations of these V8s with 200, sometimes 300,000 miles still running strong. That's why people love these older Tundras. This Tundra actually has over 100,000 miles on it, and it looks and drives like it has 30,000 miles on it. A little bit dusty, but nice clean engine compartment, no corrosion, no mouse poop. Things are looking good in here, and this engine's a beast. It makes close to 400 horsepower, naturally aspirated, making this large truck a towing and hauling machine. It can rocket to 0 to 60, and it can tow. I think we're probably equipped. The tow rating is like close to 11,000 pounds. This has a smaller 5.5 foot bed, which is a little bit better for casual pickup truck use. When you have the larger cab and a long bed, it can make it difficult to park and maneuver. It's already big as it is, so for casual pickup truck use, people tend to want the smaller bed just to make it easier to park at the mall and allow for passenger space. And 30, 40 years ago, pickup trucks were very simple, but now they've turned into luxurious family haulers. Look at the space back here. This thing has limo-like rear legroom, spacious, comfortable, nice leather interior, and you can also flip up the seats, expanding your storage area. With the seats flipped up, this is like the storage area you'd have like in the area of a Sequoia. So if there's stuff that you don't want to expose to the elements or theft inside the bed, you can put them back here. Sounds nice too. With a limited trim, this is almost like a luxury car on the inside. We got a moonroof, of course leather up here, heated seats, dual zone auto climate control, great infotainment system with a rear parking camera, JBL audio system, nice leather up steering wheel. And yeah, look at that, 106,197 miles. This thing is in such great shape. We got a power roll down rear window. It doesn't just slide, the whole window goes down. We have height adjustable headlights, so if you have a lot of weight in the bed or a lot of tongue weight in the trailer, it can have your low beams pointing up where people are flashing lights because you think you have the high beams on. Well, this is your solution right there, having those adjustable headlights. Well, thank you for joining me on this walk around video. We are Way Scarff Ford and Isuzu. We've been in business since 1922, 103 years. We're in the city. We got trains, sirens, airplanes. It's always loud over here. But we've been in business 122 years, proudly serving the greater Seattle Tacoma area, located in Auburn, Washington. We sell new Fords, new Isuzus, and a very wide variety of pre-owned vehicles. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.